welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another episode of our wardrobe basics styling. In case you're new to the series and in case this is the first episode that you're watching from the series, basically I've started this series on my YouTube channel wherein I'm going to be sharing with you all as to how can you style basic pieces that are already a part of your wardrobe in different ways, different aesthetics and different vibes. In episode 1 I talked about striped shirt because stripes are all in, you guys, so make sure that you check that out. And for this episode we're going to be talking about one of the most important and most essential aspect of your wardrobe, which is straight leg denim. So without any further delay, let's begin. Also, before we start, in case you don't follow me on my Instagram, here is a prompt, here is the plugin for you guys to follow that. That is a place wherein I basically share about current fashion and beauty trends, product recommendations, product empties, celebrity styles, basically everything under one roof. Well, when I talk about denim, I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory. Denim is something that you need in your life, whether it be 2012, 2010, 2024, denim is always going to be in trend, and that is why it's such a must have for your wardrobe because it's never going to go out of style. Today I'm going to be talking about different ways as to how you can style your straight leg jeans. Now we are not talking about a normal straight leg jeans, it's actually a distressed one. Well, I love this one. I feel like I've spotted these jeans a lot on celebrities, like when it comes to their Indo-Western looks or their airport looks or basic cafe outing looks. I feel like this is the kind of denim that they actually prefer to wear. The jeans that I'm going to be talking about throughout the video is actually from Savannah by Urbanic. Oh my god, you guys, this is actually the jeans out of my dreams. It's such an amazing clothing piece, I must say that. The style of this jeans is actually very interesting. Number one, it's distressed, which adds that kind of cool vibe. The fit of this jeans is very interesting because although it is a straight leg jeans, it actually looks kind of like wide leg jeans because of the way that it fits. I really like it, and I've been looking out for this kind of jeans for a while now. If you guys have seen my videos wherein I basically talk about jeans and my hauls, I've always said that I really like these kind of jeans. I feel like we all are in a constant debate of whether to choose comfort or fashion, but why not look for clothing pieces that are actually comfortable and also fashionable, and this is one of those, you guys. I love the quality, it's so premium. In case you're planning to shop for these jeans, I'm gonna place my discount code on the screen right now. You can use this code to save some money on your purchase, and without any further delay, let's find out how can you style this jeans. So the first style is actually majorly for people who like to run errands, who go to college, want to just wear something that's very easy breezy, something that doesn't require a lot of efforts, at the same time looks pretty good. Not only is it casual and comfortable, at the same time it kind of gives me that off-duty model kind of vibes. You must have seen Kendall Jenner stepping out, and this is the kind of clothing that she actually opts for. So I've styled a green cropped polo neck top along with these jeans, and I actually really like the color. I feel like Brad green, sage green is one of the predominant colors when it comes to 2024, and I really like this top. It's very comfortable, at the same time I feel like it does the job. Polo neck is in trend, I've already talked about it in my fashion trends video. I feel like this top is perfectly balancing the jeans. It's not a lot, at the same time it looks chic. I've also added a white bag for all my college girlies. For everyone who runs errands, we always need something, right? We need that kind of shopping bag that's tough and rough and we can actually carry it around. At the same time, we also want it to be cute, so I feel like this is a really good option. Foot bags of this kind are love and a blessing. I've also carried a novel that I'm currently reading along with my spectacles because I feel like be it college or be it cafe day out, we always need a novel, and when it comes to college, spectacles are a must-have. Moving on to look number 2, it is actually the one that I'm wearing right now, very comfortable again. Actually wearing this pink top along with the same jeans. Now I absolutely love this top, and the best thing about it is the sleeves. I mean, just look at it, it's so different. I feel like if you want to style jeans in such a way that it doesn't look a lot, At the same time, you want to add that certain sense of factor where it feels like you've put in the effort and you actually haven't. I feel like these kind of tops are perfect. I've tied the knot and I feel like once you tie the knot, once you cinch something around your waist, it automatically adds that dimension to your look. And I'm also wearing these very quirky sunglasses. Let me show you guys. They're actually so quirky. This looks really fun and adds to that fun factor of the look. If you're going out for a concert or something like that, you want to style a little bit quirky on a day, I feel like this is the perfect option. You can play around with your accessories for this one. When it comes to your sunglasses or your accessories, I'm wearing very dainty ones right now, but you can totally play around with that. So you can totally choose what kind of accessories do you want to play with when it comes to looks, whether it is your sunglasses, your earrings, or maybe both. Moving on to look number 3. Now, of course, I'm going to be adding prints to my videos. I feel like prints is something that you should definitely experiment with. If you're someone who doesn't like to go overboard with your looks, I feel like prints are a really good option because not only do they add to your looks, at the same time they don't look a lot, if you know what I mean. If you don't like to carry a lot of embellishments, I feel like prints are a really safer option because they're just on the clothing. It's just a print. It's not going to tamper your fit. At the same time, it looks really good, right? I decided to channelize my vibrant girly aesthetic here and I actually paired up a pomegranate print shirt along with these jeans. Oh my god, it looks so cute. I've also added these very funky kind of red sunglasses which are also from Savannah by Urbanic, by the way, and it looks so cute. I mean, it looks so funky, so quirky. If you're someone who always likes to be in that playful mood, I feel like this look is perfect for you because you're not only channelizing the aesthetic, at the same time it doesn't feel like you're too dramatic. We all are dramatic, but you wouldn't look that dramatic. You'll catch everyone's eye. Everyone will love your fit. No one would look at it from that overboard kind of way. And at the same time, it looks pretty cute, right? What else do you want? I feel like this look is perfect. Once in a while, you should definitely experiment with this kind of look. If you're someone who likes to play with colors, I feel like this is a really good option. Especially if you can play around with your accessories in terms of your sunglasses, that will look really good. I also tied my hair in a bun this time because I feel like when it comes to prints, you always try to make that the main element of your outfit. So maybe tie your hair in a bun or do something all around it such that the main attention can actually be on your shirt or whatever prints you're carrying. And for look number 4, which is the last look for this video, I've actually opted for a very basic, again a very off-duty model kind of look. I've opted for this cropped orange top. Orange is never going out of style, trust me you guys. Orange is something that adds so much to your look without even you trying to add something to your look. I really like that color. Lately I feel like orange is kind of becoming my thing. Like when I really want to put in an effort to make my looks more colorful, I feel like orange is a really good option, and I feel like you should definitely invest in these kind of crop tank tops. They actually balance the outfit really well because I have seen a lot of celebrities, a lot of models wearing these kind of cropped tank tops along with this kind of jeans, and it looks really good. If you're looking for something that takes no to less effort and at the same time something that looks really good and chic, I feel like this is a really good option. For this look, again I'm wearing dainty golden hoops. They look so good, right? I feel like these minor changes definitely add a lot to your look. Also, I've carried this beige bag. It looks really good. I mean, whenever you wear these kind of vibrant tops, always make sure that you tone it down in terms of your accessories, because what really happens is if you'll add more vibrance to your look, it kind of looks a lot, right? If you'll balance it out with your accessories, that actually looks so good. And I feel like if you browse through Pinterest, almost all of the looks are in such a way that the outfit is vibrant but the accessories are kind of dimmed down or neutral. That is just the way that you style a perfect outfit, and I feel like this looks really good. So those were all the outfits that I had to share with you all with these jeans. Honestly, I have innumerable amount of ideas. I can't even begin to share them with you all. Do let me know if you want me to make such similar kind of videos with another jeans, because I absolutely love creating this one for you. I feel like these videos are perfect if you want to know how to style basic things in a very quick and easy manner. Let me know which look is your favorite in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Which wardrobe basics should I talk about in part 3? I'll attach the link to this jeans in the description box below, so make sure that you check that out. I'll catch you guys next time. Take care, stay safe, stay trendy, and yeah, goodbye.